had this TV that I wanted to mount on the wall, but I didn't want to spend all morning putting it up. But once I got the Rovus rocket fix, it didn't take all morning. It took a matter of minutes to pre-drill holes, get it screwed and mounted to the wall. I was watching the game in no time. The Rovus rocket fix helps us save money while doing all these little odd jobs that I can get done myself without hiring somebody else to do it. So I'm happy, my wife is happy, and the jobs get done quick and saves us a ton of money.
So don't wait, don't delay, don't miss out. Order now by calling 683-3344. That's 683-3344. Our friendly operators are standing by right now to take your call. Or visit our website at tvshop.ph, where you'll find this and many other exciting new products. We accept all major credit cards, check and COD. Hurry, this offer is not available in any store anywhere, so you must order right now. Call 683-3344 or visit tvshop.ph and get yours now.